Hello friend, I'm so glad you're here with me today, because we're about to embark on a sparkling creative adventure together. Have you noticed rose gold everywhere lately? It's like this magical color has taken over the world, popping up in the most unexpected places and making everything look just a little bit more special. Rose gold isn't quite gold, and it isn't quite pink. It's a beautiful blend of both, with a warm, glowing undertone that feels inviting and cheerful. It's the kind of color that instantly lifts your mood and adds a touch of luxury, whether it's on your phone case or your favorite mug. You'll spot it on phones, watches, even teapots. It's everywhere you look, and it's easy to see why. It just makes everything feel a bit more joyful and unique. What's really wonderful is that rose gold is a color that suits everyone. No matter your style or skin tone, it brings out a natural glow and always brings a smile to your face. Today, we're going to put that smile right on your eyes with a rose gold halo eye look, a style that's as playful as it is stunning. Don't worry if it sounds tricky or fancy. It's really just a fun way to experiment with colors and sparkles, and you don't need to be a makeup pro to join in. Think of it like sculpting, but instead of clay, we're using beautiful pinks and golds to shape and highlight your eyes. It's all about layering and blending, just like making a little piece of art. We'll take it step by step, nice and easy, so you can follow along at your own pace. By the end, you'll be an expert at making your eyes twinkle and shine, ready to show off your new look to the world. This look is perfect for any occasion. Whether you're heading to a party, enjoying a sunny picnic, or just want to feel a little extra special at home, rose gold is always in style. The rose gold halo eye makes your eyes look bigger and brighter, almost like they're sparkling with tiny stars. It's a magical effect that catches the light and draws attention in the best way. Remember, makeup is all about having fun and expressing yourself. There are no strict rules here, just friendly suggestions and lots of room to play. If a color doesn't work out the way you hoped, simply wipe it away and try again. Every attempt is a chance to learn and discover something new about your style. We'll learn how to blend colors so they look soft and dreamy, and I'll show you exactly where to add that extra sparkle for the most dazzling effect. It's all about creating a look that feels uniquely you. Are you ready to create some everyday magic with me? Let's get started and see just how much fun rose gold can be. Grab your makeup, gather your brushes, and let's dive into the shimmering world of rose gold together. You might even discover a new favorite look along the way. On to the next step. What exactly is a halo eye? Let's find out and unlock the secret to this gorgeous glowing style. So, what's a halo eye? If you've ever scrolled through beauty tutorials or makeup trends, you've probably seen this term pop up and wondered what all the fuss is about. The halo eye is a makeup technique that's become a favorite among artists and beauty lovers for its ability to make eyes look bigger, brighter, and more dimensional. But what exactly does it mean? And how do you achieve it? Imagine a ring of light, like the soft, glowing halo you sometimes see around the moon on a misty night. That's the inspiration behind the halo eye look, a luminous, radiant effect that draws attention right to the center of your eyes. The halo eye makeup look recreates that magical glow on your eyelids. By strategically placing light and dark shades, you can make your eyes appear rounder, more open, and instantly more awake. It's a technique that flatters almost every eye shape and adds a touch of drama without being over the top. Here's the trick. Start by applying a darker eyeshadow shade to both the inner and outer corners of your eyelid. This creates a frame that helps the center of your eye pop. Next, take a bright shimmery color and press it right in the center of your eyelid. This is the halo part, the spotlight that makes your eyes look luminous and captivating. You can use metallics, pearls, or even a bold pop of color, depending on your mood. This technique draws all the attention to the middle of your eye, making them the undeniable star of your look. It's a great way to highlight your natural eye shape and add a little extra sparkle to your makeup routine. Think of it like a delicious sandwich, dark bread on each side, and a bright, exciting filling in the middle. The contrast between the shades is what gives the halo eye its signature effect. The real magic happens when you blend the edges where the dark and light colors meet. Use a soft brush to gently blur the lines, creating a seamless transition that looks smooth and professional. Blending is key to making the look polished and wearable. This technique adds incredible depth and dimension, making your eyes look more captivating and expressive. It's perfect for special occasions, nights out, or whenever you want your eyes to truly stand out. Once you master the halo eye, you can experiment with any colors you like, neutrals, bolds, or even pastels. But for today's tutorial, we're keeping things soft and romantic with rose gold shades, which flatter almost every skin tone and add a touch of elegance. Rose gold is a versatile choice that brings warmth and glow to your eyes, making them look even more enchanting. So let's gather our supplies: eyeshadow palette, brushes, and a little bit of creativity. Get ready to create some magic and transform your eyes with the halo effect. Onward to our toolkit. Every artist needs the right tools, and when it comes to makeup, having the right supplies at your fingertips can make all the difference between a look that's just okay and one that truly pops. Before we dive into the creative process, let's make sure you're fully prepared with everything you'll need for a flawless halo eyeshadow look. So let's get set up and organized. A tidy workspace not only helps you find what you need quickly, but it also sets the mood for a fun, stress-free experience. First, grab an eyeshadow primer. It's a must-have for making sure your colors stay vibrant, crease-free, and last all day long, no matter what you're up to. Think of it as the foundation for your eye art. Next, you'll need 3 eyeshadows. These are the stars of your look, so choose shades that make you feel confident and inspired. Start with a medium matte pink or a soft brown for your base. These shades create a smooth, even canvas and help other colors blend seamlessly. Then, pick a darker matte shade to add depth and dimension to your eyes, making them appear bigger and more defined. And don't forget a shimmery rose gold for the halo effect. This is what will catch the light and give your eyes that magical, glowing pop right in the center. Brushes are key. The right brushes make blending and detailing so much easier, and they help you achieve a professional finish. You'll want a fluffy brush for blending out harsh lines and creating soft transitions between shades, a small detail brush for precise application in the crease or along the lash line, and a flat brush for packing on shimmer right where you want that halo to shine brightest. Eyeliner, choose black or brown depending on your style, will help define your eyes and make your lashes look fuller. And of course, mascara is essential for making your lashes pop, adding volume and length for that wide-eyed effect. Don't forget cotton buds and a gentle makeup remover for quick fixes. Mistakes happen, and these will help you clean up any smudges or fallout without starting over. Having everything ready and within reach makes the process smooth, enjoyable, and lets you focus on your creativity instead of searching for tools. So check your supplies: primer, shadows, brushes, liner, mascara, and a little cleanup kit. Double check that you have everything before you start so you can relax and have fun. Ready? Let's get started on our masterpiece. Preparation is everything. With your tools in place and your canvas prepped, you're all set to create a stunning halo eyeshadow look. Let's begin! Let's prep those eyelids. Start with a tiny dab of eyeshadow primer on each lid. Gently pat it from lash line to brow bone. This helps your colors stick and stay vibrant. Give it a moment to set. If you like, dust a little translucent powder or neutral eyeshadow over the primer for extra smooth blending. This step creates a perfect, even base for your colors. Taking a minute here makes a huge difference in how your eyeshadow looks and lasts. Now your eyelids are ready. A blank canvas for our rose gold masterpiece. Good prep is the secret to a flawless finish. Let's move on to adding color. The fun part starts now. Ready for the first wash of color? Time to lay down our transition shade, the first wash of color. Choose a soft matte pink or warm brown and grab your fluffy blending brush. Tap off excess powder and use a light hand. It's easier to add more than to take away. Sweep the color into your crease using back and forth motions like a windscreen wiper. Use small circles to blend and soften the edges. The goal? A soft hazy cloud of color that fades toward your brow bone. This step helps all the other colors blend seamlessly. Don't rush, blending here sets the stage for the whole look. Your eyes now have a beautiful soft frame. Well done! Next, let's add depth with our darker shade. The drama is about to begin. Ready for the next step? Let's go! On to the grand blending adventure. Now, let's shape our halo eye with the darker shade. Use a small detail brush and tap off the excess. Apply the dark color to the outer third and inner third of your eyelid, leaving the center bare. Keep the darkness low and concentrated for a lifted effect. Repeat on the inner corner, 2 dark patches, blank space in the middle. Don't worry if it looks odd, blending is next. Take your clean blending brush and soften the top edges where the dark meets the transition shade. Gently blend the inner edges near the center, aiming for a smooth gradient. No harsh lines, just a soft transition. Take your time. Blending is the heart of a beautiful eye look. The shape is coming together. Ready for the shimmer? Let's create the halo. Here's the magic moment. Time for the rose gold shimmer. Dampen your flat brush with a little water or setting spray for extra intensity. Load up the brush with your shimmery rose gold shadow. Press the color onto the center of your eyelid, right between the dark patches. Pat, don't sweep for maximum brightness. Build up the shimmer until it really pops. Now take a clean detail brush and gently blend the edges where shimmer meets dark, just enough to soften, not blur the halo. Don't overblend, keep that bright center. And there it is, a glowing, eye-catching halo. The look is nearly complete. Let's finish with some final touches. On to the finishing flourishes. Time for the finishing touches. Line your upper lash line with black or brown eyeliner. Thin or thick, your choice. Smudge it for a softer, smokier effect if you like. Next, mascara. Wiggle the wand at the base, then sweep up for volume and length. Add a touch to your bottom lashes for balance. Sweep away any fallout with a clean brush. Tidy up smudges with a cotton bud and makeup remover. And that's it. Your rose gold halo eye is polished and ready to shine. You've done a fantastic job. Time to admire your work. Let's wrap up. You did it! You've created a stunning rose gold halo eye. We started with a simple idea, gathered our tools, and took it step by step. Prepped the canvas, blended colors, added depth, and finished with a magical shimmer. The secret? Careful blending and a few clever tricks, like primer and a damp brush for extra sparkle. Most importantly, makeup is about having fun and expressing yourself. Now you know the halo technique. Try it with any colors you like: bronze, silver, anything. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Don't stress about perfection. Enjoy the process. Put on some music, relax, and play with your makeup. You've learned a brilliant new skill. Be proud. Show off your glowing rose gold eyes to the world. You look smashing. Well done, artist.